Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 26th of October, Tuesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and the yesterday and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the straight to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour chart, as you can see here from last week, we have taken all this pullback long here. And as I mentioned, my trader, as long as the price we're going to stay above this level, we're still looking for long. And yesterday we had such a nice, beautiful short trade, especially when the price developed a 3-touch here, as you can see here at the resistance level. So we have taken the short trade here from yesterday, banked beautiful pips, and this afternoon, as explained to my trader, after the breakout, as you can see here, a previous low is broken. After the breakout, we are looking at pullback short trade here, which we have taken it. Most of the traders really enjoyed it, and some of the traders are still holding that short trade. Let's see. Okay, let me share with you guys how I analyzed market yesterday and today and bank beautiful pips. If you look at the analysis since the market opened, yesterday a bit quiet, so I haven't uploaded my analysis. As you can see here, as soon as this is the just after the market open, we did this analysis. We had a very small pullback long trade here. As you can see, as soon as the price hit our first target, around first target, explained to my trader to it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even, which technically we came out at the break even. And once after that, in the London morning session yesterday, I explained to my trader we might going to see some pullback here, squeeze few pips, and we'll see the price action because we were watching in 4-hour, as you can see here at this level, and we had a 200 EMA in 4-hour too. So we had this small pullback, as you mentioned on the analysis, but mainly once I see the price develop a double top here at the major resistance level in 4-hour, and that's give us the confirmation, the safest trade for me to look for this breakout, which is technically, you can see here this breakout, which nicely taken and banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA at the support level. And that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So as always, after the breakout, expecting another, we have this breakout short trade yesterday, and today we were expecting another pullback at this level after the breakout. As you can see here in 4-hour, we have this beautiful pullback short trade here and bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous low. Explain my trader, it's time to consider banking some pips or move your stop loss at the break even. So we had such an amazing trade on Euro USD at the beginning of this week. We'll see tomorrow, we'll let you know. Tomorrow we have a quite high impact news. We'll see how it goes. Let me say with you the pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade, as you can see here in 4-hour at the beginning of the week. You can see here we had some short trade here and then long trade here, and now we are holding a short trade because price could not maintain the previous high. So let me share with you intraday analysis, how I did in analysis since yesterday. If you look at this is the market open. Just after the market open, explain to my trader, let's look for this breakout because the price was at this level, at the major support level. So you can see here price nicely broken the previous high. Explain my trader, take a long trade here. First target would be 200 EMA in intraday system, which price nicely hit, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, as you can see here in the London morning session yesterday, once the target hit at the Asian session, look for another pullback at this level, which price nicely did. You can see here bank beautiful pips again, long trade here, and then afterwards price developed another at the New York session. This is another last night. Basically, you can see here price developed on a symmetric triangle pattern. We have this small breakout, bank beautiful pips, and this morning we had another beautiful long trade here. Once the price developed this pattern, explained to my trader, look at this way. We were looking here at this triangle pattern. Let me make it straight, and this breakout, as you can see here, based on the candlestick pattern, we have a spinning top after the main big bullish candle and then we had this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken based on the analysis mentioned. As long as the momentum is bullish, if the price gonna break this level, bang beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous high, as you can see here. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bang some profit. We had such a beautiful long trade at the London morning session, and at the New York session, as you can see here, the price nicely retest. And let me share with you another way of looking at it. Okay, so let me share with you this one here. That's what I explained to my trader. More likely, you can see here, price broke on this trend support line. So after this breakout, more likely we might going to see this pullback here, and that's what we explained to my trader. And it's better to hold the short trade here. The safest trade for us is, you can see here, the price broken the previous high, and explained to my trader, if the price could not maintain this level above this level, then we expecting a short trade here. And that's what I did this analysis, look for this breakout. And we can see here, based on the momentum, some of the traders still holding short trade here. We really enjoyed it at the New York session and the London. We have taken both long and short, but all these trades are 100% based on the valid technical reason. You can see here, this is the breakout. I explained to my trader we should be taking it. As you can see here, at this level, that's what I explained to my trader, as you can see here. And this was the analysis I did at the New York session, and we have this beautiful breakout, bang beautiful pips on pound dollar. We had an amazing trade, and expecting, to be honest, a bit more down. Let's see here after this breakout. That's the confirmation. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break this one, then we're expecting a pullback short trade here. As I said to you guys, we are an intraday trader. Doesn't matter whether it goes up and down, as long as we have a technical valid entry in our intraday system, we're really enjoying it. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, and some of the traders still holding long. And let me explain to you in 4 hour. As you can see from last week, we have built some sort of sentiment and bias long on dollar CAD, because you can see here, price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, and that's what we're expecting, a long trade here. And today we have this short trade here counter. At the beginning of this week, we had a long trade, bang beautiful pips. We have one small counter short trade here, and then later on we have another long trade here, and some of the traders are still holding long trade here. So let me share with you guys how I analyze this level, this area in intraday, and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. Okay, let me share with you guys. All right, so if you look at we had it at the market open, we had this small short trade here, and afterwards we break out short trade. We have taken pullback short trade here. That is basically at the market open, this level. So once the price hit this level and the resist support level, and that's what I did another analysis instantly. As you can see here, explained to my trader, the price respecting here 200 EMA. We have the short trade here in the previous analysis, bank few pippies. Now afterwards, the price developed another symmetric triangle pattern based on the 4 hour price. Am I going to respect and expecting a long trade here? We have this breakout, bank beautiful pips. As you can see here, the price nicely hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips, and look for another pullback as soon as the price develop another double bottom at the support level. Explain to my trader, probably am I gonna have another beautiful long trade here, a beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous high, even in 4 hour. That's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trade long on yesterday, and London morning session in the morning. Explain to my trader, if the price gonna break, then we might gonna see continuation. Otherwise, we might going to face another counter short trade. Which price, you can see here, price failed to break this level. As mentioned on the analysis, we had a beautiful breakout, counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit to this major support level in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And let's see in the price action. If the price is going to break this support, then probably going to be taking a short trade here, otherwise long. We were waiting 3 p.m. London time news for, one was the Richard, I think, manufacturing index, medium impact news, 2 medium impact news, which was good for the dollar. Number one. Number two, if you look at the price action, sort of like you can see here, inverted head and shoulder pattern is developed and explained to my trader. As you can see here, if the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking a long trade here. You can see here price nicely broke on the previous recent high, and even after the breakout we have pulled back. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit, and or you can hold the trade at the break even. So I close my session and bank beautiful pips. As you can see guys, how we analyze market in depth in 4 hour, and how we define entries and exit in intraday and banking pips every single day. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, the most interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time, and the banking profit in real time, and developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis alongside with the 4 hour analysis. Once you develop your trading skill, then definitely, and if you produce the consistent result, definitely I can help you to get funded from pro firms. If you are interested in how I help and coach and train traders through live market and how help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.